Hey, and welcome back. You all know by now that Boeing have decided to temporarily halt their 737 MAX 8 production line from January, down from the current 42 planes a month that they're building to 0. That leaves over 4,000 unbuilt 737 MAX 8s, the largest part of Boeing's production book. It looks like good news for Boeing workers, I hope. They're going to get moved to the other Boeing commercial plane production lines. But hang on. At present, Boeing have only got 93 NG 737s ordered, a handful of 747, mainly in the freighter class, a few 777s, and quite a number of the Dreamliner. Good. But let's today look at what went wrong. So let's be honest, how many of us have wanted the decent piece of tooling or lawn machinery and seen the too good to be true offer out there, and ended up regretting buying the half-price piece of junk? Not only is it a complete waste of money, it ends up in a landfill and it destroys our planet. Now, personally, I think Boeing's 737 MAX 8 series is an excellent aircraft. I think they really did engineer an aircraft that's more fuel efficient, it's lighter, and it will be good for their airline customers and also for the planet. But that's not what they were selling. The MAX 8 737 was marketed as a legacy, easy-to-fly 737 that needed no retraining. That was wrong. They tried to fix it by a piece of software called MCAS, which they weren't honest to the FAA about. It's a legacy of horror. And let's not forget, over 400 people died. So let's remind ourselves how Boeing sold their MAX 8 series.
The demand for something new, volatile markets, new competitors, cost control. You deal with challenges like these every day, and you conquer them. Your business decisions at crucial points position your airline for future success. The Boeing 737 MAX is one of those decisions. Why? Let's start with efficiency. The MAX uses 14% less fuel than current 737s. That's a lot less fuel. A lot less. How'd we do that? Ingenuity. Ingenuity here, here, and here. Like our incredible new winglet. It's now even more advanced. It uses natural laminar flow technology. What's that? Here's someone smart to explain it.
Natural laminar flow technology reduces fuel consumption by controlling the growth.
Never mind, we don't have time for that. But the results? It shaves off even more fuel usage. Want more results? The 737-8 can carry 12 more passengers in a two-class configuration than its competitor. That's 12 passengers on every route, every day, every quarter, every year throughout the lifespan of your fleet. Now let's talk reliability. The 737 has a reputation for being reliable, disreliable. And the MAX takes reliability even farther, literally. This plane doesn't control your route options, it empowers them. And on those routes, the plane is always here, not here or here. This all translates into 8% lower operating costs, which means CEOs like the MAX. Really like the MAX. What about passengers? They like it too. They told us to build this, our Boeing Sky Interior. They said make it feel spacious, like this spacious. Passengers buy tickets to spacious. You know what else customers like? The environment. So do you, so do we. New engine advances have led to a 14% reduction in fuel and carbon emissions, and there's less noise. When the plane is here, it's like this down here. But what does all this mean when you're running an airline? It means for once, your decision is clear. The new 737 MAX.
Not on safety features, not on engineering brilliance, which they obviously put into it, but on the profit the airlines would make. That's where they went wrong, and that's where we're all going wrong. Let's buy stuff that we can repair. Let's not buy stuff with plastic gears inside that we throw away. Look at this house. It was built in the 16th century without electricity, without power tools, by human skill, and it is still here because it was built properly. So good luck, Boeing, in returning your MAX 8 series aircraft to service. Hopefully you'll be a bit more honest about how they really work. Hopefully you'll give line training to pilots at airlines and not pretend it's a legacy 737. Hopefully you'll have fixed the MCAS system in a way that the FAA are understanding it. Ah, boy! It really worries me that a fantastic company with a great legacy like Boeing have gone down this route. The truth is out there.